Hey guys, today we're going to give you a quick tutorial through your dashboard and show you some of the quick and universal tools in the dashboard. So, as you just saw there, I'll go back and re-instruct it. When you go to your main page and you're signed in, you have this sticky bar is what they call it across the top. It sticks with you as you scroll across the page, and it allows you to do things like if you wanted to manage comments. If you had comments on your page, you can manage them through there. If you wanted to add something new straight from the bar up there, you can add a post, media page, or a new user straight from up there. You can check out your views over the last 48 hours. You can click there for more stats, just quick stuff. But mainly what I use from there is just this button right here. And you can click and navigate through some of your most used stuff right here that's on your dashboard. What we're going to do for first-time users to get you used to the dashboard is we're just going to click up here on your site title. And that will bring you to your dashboard. Now, your dashboard is going to be something you see as you edit your site tremendously. You're going to use it a lot. There's a lot of stuff on here. This is basically how you edit your site. So for simple users, a lot of this stuff on the front here you're not really going to want to use a lot. One thing you might look at, though, is your site stats down here. It gives you your hit counts per day, per month, per week, per year, whatever. And if you would be blogging, there's a quick draft right here to where you could just start blogging real quick. But most people aren't going to use this front dashboard page, but it's there for if you want to use it. Now, what I tell people is there's about 4 or 5 major things down the side here that you're going to use. Depending on your company, you might use some more than others, but there's about 4 or 5 of them down here that you're really mainly going to use. If you're blogging a lot, you're going to use the post. This is where you can add a new blog post, but a lot of us don't blog or have frequent posts, so we're not really going to focus much on that. Your media. Now, this is where you're going to upload pictures to your site. This is where you're going to upload any PDF documents to your site that you want. So you can either go through your library and look at what you've already got uploaded, or you can click to add a new. And in our other videos, we'll go more in depth with each of these and show you what these are. But with your pages, now this is one that a lot of people might use and a lot of people might not use, but this is where you can edit your pages. You go through all pages here. You click on that. It takes you to all the pages that you have on your site. And then you can edit them from there, or you can also edit them from outside. Comments. When we build a website for Hidden Gem Web Designs, we automatically turn the comments off. I actually delete the comments out of the code, the comments part of the code out of the code of the website. So honestly, unless you request a comment feedback system, you will not get one. So we need to just ignore that. And also in here, a lot of things, your plugins that you use and extra add-ons will be added, like we have a calendar added on and a feedbacks form added on here. So that's just one of the things that you'll use. Your appearance is something you may use a lot. Themes have different theme options, and we'll look at Hidden Gem Web Designs theme options here. This lets you add things without having to go through the code and adding different stuff. So right here you have your custom logo. If you change your logo, you'd add your new logo there. Different homepage settings and different stuff. And every theme is different. Everything we use is different. And so it takes a little bit getting used to, but it's just about like anything. It's easy to learn once you get in there and jump right in. Plugins. Now, you heard me talk about plugins earlier. This is where you'll add something to your site that's not already included in WordPress. Now, when I'm building some sites, I will add some plugins in depending on what the customer asks. And what you want to do here is you can either go through your installed plugins, or you can just click the add new plugin and you'll search for some plugins. One thing I do want to add about the appearance and the plugins here is, guys, unless you are extremely familiar with code and with WordPress themes, you do not want to edit this. You don't want to go to your editor. You need to just forget it's there. I'm not trying to sound mean, but really you just need to forget it, because I mean, this stuff right here, it's confusing for me sometimes. So really, once you go in here and start messing with stuff in here, it's going to change stuff that we might not be able to fix on your site. So really, if you want to edit your site on your own, you need to stick with the theme options and customize button there in the appearance. A lot of little stuff. Here's your tools, just different stuff. You got another one of our, we use WebSim tables here in Hidden Gem Web Designs page, so that comes up under a tool, and then some general settings if you want to edit your users and different people that are allowed to edit your site. You go through there. So it's real simple. That was just a basic rundown of the dashboard. And guys, if you have any questions that I haven't covered here on our videos, make sure you shoot me an email, spartan@hiddengemwebdesigns.com, and I'll try to answer your question, and then I'll try to make a video about it to help everybody else. So once again, this has been a quick rundown of the dashboard, and keep looking out for those other videos that we got trying to help you make a professional site for your company.